Get ready for the next level of performance because Mercedes-AMG is bringing the V8 back with a bang. We are talking about the upcoming Coupe, teased in camouflage, which is set to become a centerpiece of the growing Mythos series. This isn't just a facelift. This is a complete performance overhaul, and we have all the details on what we know about this powerful machine.
Stop using your finger for notes, sketches, and edits. This Jam Jake stylus pen gives your iPad a smoother, more precise writing feel with palm rejection so your hand can rest naturally on the screen. It charges fast, works for hours, and comes with replacement tips. Perfect for school, work, or creative projects. Check the link in the comments to grab it on Amazon.
Now let's talk value. Remember the 2000 Mercedes-Benz E-320, once considered the pinnacle of luxury, but today it's become surprisingly affordable. We're diving deep into how this classic car has transformed from a $50,000 dream to a potential purchase under $10,000, and whether this affordable ride is worth the history. Next up, we look at the big picture for the automotive giant. Is it time to reassess the Mercedes-Benz Group after some recent share price weakness? We break down the discounted cash flow analysis, showing why this massive corporation might actually be undervalued based on fundamental data and expert narratives. And finally, we check the latest market sentiment. We're looking at the official stance from RBC on the Mercedes-Benz Group stock. Don't miss out on this crucial insight as we wrap up our biggest news of the day. Stay with us. Mercedes-AMG is reigniting excitement around its V8 lineup with the teasing of a new coupe, positioning it as a key component of the growing Mythos series. The upcoming model, based on the CLE platform, has been showcased in camouflage and has undergone further previews, revealing a more production-ready design. Key visual elements include an open front end featuring wide air intakes for the brakes beneath the headlights and a massive, GT racing-inspired rear wing that spans the width of the rear guards. Vented front wheel arches are designed to channel airflow toward this prominent wing. Powering this anticipated vehicle is expected to be AMG's new generation V8 engine, with reports suggesting it will produce 480 kW. Production is slated to be extremely limited, with only 30 units anticipated. Mercedes-AMG has previously stated that the new model promises an uncompromising appearance, matched by a correspondingly powerful drivetrain. While the current CLE model features a twin-turbo straight-six engine in the CLE 53, the return of the V8 has been a persistent topic, with recent prototype sightings confirming development progress. AMG CEO Michael Schaeb recently confirmed this trajectory, stating that the V8 will return to AMG vehicles by the end of the year, initially launching in SUVs, but also appearing in other models. The new V8 is understood to be a more potent iteration of the M177 Evo, the twin-turbo 4-liter V8 that recently debuted in the S-Class featuring a flat-plane crank configuration. The 2000 Mercedes-Benz E-320, once heralded as the best car by Consumer Reports at the turn of the millennium, has undergone a dramatic transformation, evolving from a high-end luxury purchase to a surprisingly affordable option for today's market. 25 years later, this model has been largely supplanted by newer Mercedes-Benz offerings, yet it now presents an appealing value proposition. For prospective buyers, the E320 can now be acquired for less than a 2026 Honda Civic. According to Hagerty Valuations, as of April 2026, a well-maintained E320 is valued around $9,500, with listings on platforms like Car Gurus generally ranging from $4,000 to $6,000. Diligent searching can reveal examples under $10,000, representing a significant discount from its original $50,000 manufacturer's suggested retail price. Owners frequently praise the vehicle's 3.2-liter V6 engine, noting its excellent balance of power and fuel efficiency, along with a smooth ride and proven longevity, with reports indicating the E320 has sustained hundreds of thousands of miles. However, potential buyers must weigh the affordability against the realities of owning a nearly 30-year-old vehicle. While inexpensive, the E320 is subject to significant wear and tear. Furthermore, Consumer Reports data suggests that Mercedes-Benz models can incur high long-term maintenance costs. Fuel economy is another point of consideration. The vehicle achieves an impressive 21 mpg combined, 18 mpg city, and 27 mpg highway, which lags behind modern midsize sedan standards and can impact running costs depending on gas prices. In summary, the 2000 Mercedes-Benz E-320 has experienced a notable financial decline. It stands as a modestly priced, beloved piece of automotive history, offering affordability but requiring careful consideration for those evaluating its long-term viability as a purchase. An analysis of Mercedes-Benz Group stock suggests it may be undervalued based on current valuation metrics, despite recent share price fluctuations. The stock recently closed at €50.26, marking a 4.9% gain over the past week, but experiencing significant declines over longer periods, including an 18.8% year-to-date drop. This market sentiment is attributed to broader investor reassessments of traditional auto manufacturers regarding electrification and software, alongside discussions on capital allocation. Using simply WAL-SD's framework, Mercedes-Benz Group received a valuation score of 6 out of 6. A discounted cash flow, DCF, model, utilizing a two-stage free cash flow to equity approach, estimates an intrinsic value of €66.99 per share. Compared to the current trading price of €50.26, this implies the stock trades at approximately a 25% discount, leading the analysis to conclude the stock is undervalued. Furthermore, price to earnings, PE ratio analysis also points toward undervaluation. Mercedes-Benz Group is currently trading at a PE of 9.68x, which is significantly below the auto industry average PE of 18.13x and the peer group average of 37.25x. A proprietary, fair ratio of 12.36x, which adjusts for company-specific factors, also suggests the shares are trading below this calibrated level. Beyond quantitative metrics, the report highlights the importance of narrative-based valuation. Two contrasting scenarios were presented. A bull case, forecasting a fair value of €99.12 based on strong brand presence and electrification confidence, implying a 49.3% discount to the current price. Conversely, a bear case, projecting a lower fair value of €46.46 due to risks like intense EV competition and supply chain disruptions, implying only a 7.6% premium. Investors are encouraged to use these narratives to align their views with the current market price. Simply Walson emphasizes that this commentary is based on historical data and analyst forecasts, not financial advice, and does not account for the latest price-sensitive announcements. The Mercedes-Benz Group's RBC rating has been officially classified as neutral by Market Screener, COM. This assessment provides a balanced view of the company's current market standing and future prospects. The neutral rating suggests that analysts see no immediate strong upside or downside catalysts driving a significant change in the stock's valuation at this time. Further analysis from financial experts will be necessary to determine if the company is poised for growth or faces headwinds in the coming quarters.